Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So I'm back at it again to update you guys on my cash secure put and covered call portfolio. And if you guys are new to this channel, I've been using Webull. And if you haven't already, if you sign up with Webull, you get 3 free stocks just by depositing a little bit of money into it, and it's valued up to $3,000. So that's it. So you can use any platforms you want, but in this case, I'm just using Webull since I like their platform. And here you go on my update. Currently, I have 2 options out. So one of them is with SQ. So currently, SQ is trading around $125. And right now, it's about to expire pretty soon in 1 day. So in April 14th. So right now, I have a cover call on it with a strike of 115. Obviously, tomorrow, I don't think it's going to dip below 115. If it does dip below 115, then I get to keep my premium and that's it. Nothing happens. But tomorrow, most likely it's going to get assigned because it's trading at 125. And if you are completely lost on my covered call and cash secure put strategy, there's video links down below. I'll link them in so you could follow on how to do covered calls or cash secure put on Webull, just if you're new here in this channel. So right now I have currently accumulated around like $962 or so. The premium that I'll be for sure collecting is $427. And by the way, next week this will definitely get assigned. I'll go back to 0 in terms of a total number of shares of holding, because those 100 shares will be sold at $115 tomorrow. Unlikely that this stock price will drop down to below 115. Currently it's trading at 125. So that is it for SQ. So just block or square, however you want to call it. And then the next one is XPeng. So currently XPeng, I have a covered call on it with a 31 strike. And let me just zip this over to the side. So XPeng, ticker symbol right over here, XPEV. So right over here. Currently trading at $27-ish around there. And I have a strike at 31. So doesn't look like it's going to get assigned pretty soon, or even maybe, because I have my expiration out to April 29th. But if it does get assigned, remember that I have a cost basis of $24, so that is a plus. So I'm making up the appreciation with a 31 strike, so I'm getting money. And by the way, I have 200 shares, so premium collected from the 2 weeks ago, I believe, when I bought this option, was $274 collected in premiums. So if it does get assigned, I'm happy. I make, the couple dollar difference, 31 and 24 difference. So around like $7-ish. So give or take $6-ish. Yeah, difference. So that is it for XPeng. And let's go over to Zillow. Everything closed out. Zillow has been going up and down. Let's just check it out real quick. Zillow, it's been going up and down, fluctuating. It has a support right over here around like the around like the $46-ish mark. Not too sure still yet. If it goes down to 46, I have a feeling it's gonna go blow past that number. Right now, the sell in my level 2, the sell is indicating it's really high on the sell side. Again, this is at the $75 price on the sell side, but not too sure. I'm just still gonna sit tight. I know that I'm gonna go in and buy you something, but still not sure with Zillow. I'm gonna leave it as is. And then up next we have Palantir. Everything closed out yet. I'm still losing money on Palantir. Haven't really got a sign. I haven't really done any options yet really lately. So the 200 shares is just sitting in my accounts. I know I hate it just having shares just sitting in my account because it's doing nothing. So, but as of now, I'm just gonna leave it as is. But I will do one trade for you guys to see. So, and by the way, Palantir is trading at PLTR $12.87, and I'm taking a beating obviously because my cost basis is $17 right over here. And next we have Pinterest. Pinterest has always been taking a beating on me. Currently is trading on $22.93. Still have 400 shares just sitting there, not doing anything yet. Still hurting me. Cost basis at $33. So as of now, still losing money on paper yet. It hasn't been realized. So I'll just keep it as it is. And then up next, the trade that I'm going to be doing is NIO, N-I-O. So currently it's trading on $20.25 ish. And I did buy Neo, so I bought 100 shares around $20.20. So my running total, and by the way, I did have a loss on the previous years or the previous months that I've been trading, or actually last year actually. I've been trading, so it's around like 1,500 because it kept on dropping, just catching a hot knife, and just decided to cut it and stop it there, because if I didn't stop it, I could have been in the thousands losing. So by the way, I just went ahead, as of just recently, bought 100 shares of it at $20. My average share is $20.20, so it's about around that range, current market price range. So I'm going to be doing a cover call on it. So let's go ahead and see what I could get out of this cover call. So I'm going to type in go options right over here. And usually I, at least 30 days out I'm looking for. So this one's 30, 37. Let's see 30 days and see how much I'm getting. So I have an average, my cost basis over here. Actually, I need to just put 100 right over here. So my price per share is $35.05, which is not that great. Oh, and by the way, this 1,500, I realized it last year, so it doesn't really affect. I should be deleting this this last year stuff, because that was old stuff. I'll just hang on tight. I'll just clean this up for you guys so you guys can see my current status. So after cleaning it up, here's my 2022 data, and I'm only going to be using 2022 data and not be using the 2021 data, because that's already reported, old news, taking a loss, and that's it. So 2022 data, as of now, I have 100 shares, bought 100 shares at 2020. On average, price per share was $20.20, and my cost basis right now is $16.90, and that's because I have a running profit of $330 from my previous options that I did for this year. So right now I'm gonna be doing one option for you guys for today, and right now just double check right now current price for oops, I don't know why it's doing this. Hold on one second. Neo right now is trading around $20.30. Options, click on here. Usually I'm going like around 30 days out or so. So what I'm gonna do is find one with the data with the delta of 0.3-ish right now. So I'm gonna go a little bit aggressive at $1.15 for the bid with a 22 strike. So remember this, my cost basis is $16.90. So I'm gonna be click on here. I'm doing a sell right over here, so I'm gonna just do my let me do this, change this. Oops, what am I doing? Hold up, there we go. There you go. All right, I'm gonna be selling one at strike at 22 right now. Let's see, it's trading on 115. Let's go with the mid 120 right over here, and this is how I'm getting my numbers 120, because how the asking price or the selling price is 125 and the buyers are buying at 115. So I'm just gonna go in the middle of 120 and see if it gets executed. And by the way, I'm just gonna do one because I only have 100 shares, and I'm gonna go ahead, make sure everything checks out. So a maximum profit, everything looks right. So we're gonna hit a sell, get a 120 credit. Let's see if that works. Oh, it actually went. So it went through. So right now I'm at the field right over here. This tab right over here, slide all the way over here. So average price is 120 right over here, and status was filled. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this back in here, and I'll let you see everything. Now, after entering that, I have my 22 strike right over here, expiration May 13th, as this indicated as May 13th, in 30 days or so. And then I have my credit of 120, so I collected a premium of $120. Status is now currently open, and my price per share, my cost basis in this case, has dropped down to $15.70, which is still good. I'm not complaining. So today, just something really light. That's it for today. keep on, if you like this kind of, update, give it a like and maybe consider subscribing for more weekly uploads like these. And as always, I'll catch y'all later.